Hi, welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to navigate training analytics in the Phin platform. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to any company home, any tenant that you have, navigate to training on the left-hand navigation menu. And then under the training tab, go ahead and select analytics, and that will take you to the analytics homepage for training for this company. So for this, you can sort it by course view or user view. You can change the course in the top right and select the course that you'd like to view data on. Any courses that have published you can see. And then you can also scroll down to see individual users' progress on these courses as well. You have admin actions such as being able to send a training reminder or reset the training or even complete the training as well. If you'd like to sort it from, instead of course view, by user view, you can do that at the top, and you can select any user to view more details. And then you'll see the analytics for both phishing and training for this specific user only. So you'll see analytics related to phishing. You'll be able to see, when it was sent, clicked, learning moment completed. You'll also be able to mark any clicks as a false positive. And then if you go down further, you should be able to see training analytics for this user. So course completion status, when it was assigned, when it was completed. And then you can also have admin actions to mark as complete as well if you needed to. If you're marking it as complete, you'll need to enter the score, the date completed, and then an override reason as well. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching.